Underwater inspections are some of the hardest jobs in the world. Divers face crushing pressure, low visibility, and many other dangerous conditions. The work is slow and expensive. Aquatonomy was founded to make this work safer and smarter. Their autonomous underwater vehicles create clear 3D models of dams, bridges, ship hulls, and more. Turning years of research into a working system takes real support. Through the Robotics Factory Accelerate program, Aquatonomy gained access to prototyping facilities, mentorship, and early funding to grow their team. With that help, Aquatonomy built and tested its full system, proved it in live demos, and launched pilot projects with industry partners. Aquatonomy shows what's possible when world-class research meets the right resources. InnovationWorks helps founders turn breakthroughs into businesses. InnovationWorks, empowering founders building the future of robotics. For more information on InnovationWorks programs, visit innovationworks.org.